Okay, if you were with me last week, went over a couple of things that you can do with this foam roll other than just rolling directly across muscles where you roll, say, your quads, your hamstrings, your calves, something like that. We did some mobility work where you're actually just using this guy as an implement to help you stretch. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you a great hip flexor stretch while you're getting some thoracic rotation in there. So I have to give you a couple of different angles of that so that you can see exactly how to do it. But if you just bear with me again, just let me give you a couple angles of that. And then the last one, the second one I'll show you is just a little lower extremity, some circumduction and some knee drops, just to get that lower extremity and that upper extremity separating and working independent of each other instead of as one unit, which we like to do. We tend to get locked in with sports or athletics or even just as we sit around. So I'll give you those two real quick. So the first one will be that hip flexor with some thoracic rotation, just to show you a couple different angles. So I will be down, and what you're going to do with the foam roll is you're just going to kind of be at a 90-degree angle at the knee. You're going to place that on the foam roll. You'll grab top arm, grab the bottom leg, and you're going to pull it behind you. You'll hold the top leg down as you rotate using the foam roll to get some rotation in there in the thoracic spine. So I'm opening up, chest is sealing, trying to get the top shoulder on the ground while I'm holding leg on the foam roll. So there's my rotation, and then you can come back up, and then we're going to go again. So that's one angle. Let's look at it from a different angle. So top leg on the foam roll, grabbing the bottom leg, holding the top leg down, trying to get this top shoulder down on the ground. So rolling, and there's our rotation. So I'm really opening up, trying to get that shoulder down, pulling my foot up, and rotate. So there's my rotation. Again, a little bit different angle. You can see on the foam roll, grab the knee. As I rotate, I will rotate over. So there's some great way to stretch that hip flexor on that down leg. So when I'm pulling that leg back, get a little hip flexor stretch, but we're rotating, so we're getting some thoracic rotation in there. And then the second one we're going to do is we're just going to take the foam roll, real simple and easy. I'm going to squeeze that foam roll between the knees, and I'm just going to circumduct or going around with the foam roll, just getting some lower extremity rotation in there while we're stabilizing the upper body. So there's our stabilization. Then we can come into some knee drops as well. Again, just separating that lower extremity, those hips, those legs from the upper body. We tend to want to turn as a unit. We want that lumbar spine, thoracic spine to be able to rotate while either the upper or lower extremity is in a fixed position. So there you go. There's your two to try today with the foam roll. So again, come back in, get some circumduction in there. So try both of those. Great stretches to add, something to do, something different with the old foam roll. So try that guy out. Again, check back. They're always on YouTube. They're always on Facebook. Look for the newsletter. That's where everything will be posted.